Hello, this is Sona Chaube. Welcome to my channel. So today I am sharing with you all my hot chocolate recipe. How I make my hot chocolate, that recipe I am sharing here. So if you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please try recipe at your home. Now start this recipe. So for this I have taken here 1 + 1/4 cup of milk. It should be in room temperature. Now add 1 teaspoon of cornflour, which is level teaspoon of cornflour, not too much, but yes, it should be leveled. So 1 teaspoon of cornflour, add and just stir this continuously. Now add 2½ teaspoon of cocoa powder. Just mix it well with this wire whisker. Now add 1½ teaspoon of sugar, or it should be according to your taste. Just mix it well, and 1 pinch of coffee powder. Any coffee powder you can take here, but not too much coffee powder. But yes, it should be only 1 pinch. So keep on medium flame and whisk it continuously. And now I am adding here 2 teaspoon of dark chocolate. Instead of this, you can take dairy milk or any kind of chocolate. So here I am adding only 2 cubes of chocolate. This is dairy milk chocolate, a small pack of dairy milk. Just continuously stir this. Okay, now I am adding here 1/4 cup of milk again to adjust the consistency of this hot chocolate. Now stir continuously, don't stop, and let it boil till boil comes. Then switch off the flame and pour immediately into your mug. Okay, before pouring, just stir this and just pour into your mug or cup. Now this hot chocolate is ready. I'm just adding here ½ teaspoon of white chocolate powder, but it's optional and it's only to enhance the taste of this hot chocolate. Just sprinkle some more, and now it's ready. Your creamy, chocolatey and hot chocolate is ready in my style. This is the style how I make my hot chocolate for my kids, for myself. So enjoy this hot chocolate in this winter season. And if you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.